here in Ohio today. The -3's warmed up. It was -9 around lunch. Lots of cars getting stuck. We didn't get that much snow. I'd say, I think I saw like 3 inches, but due to the temperature and the wind, it's causing some havoc on the streets. Luckily, we're in the WRX. We got that all-wheel drive, and we got them snow tires. So we are doing A-okay so far, but we are in the middle of town where the roads are normally very clean. As you can see, they are not very clean today. They're very slippery, as it rained all day yesterday. Yesterday was about 42 degrees at bedtime, and then come middle of the night, that front hit us that's hitting the whole eastern seaboard. And this morning it was, like I said, -9. So it went from 42 to -9 overnight with 50-mile-per-hour winds. So this is what we're doing. Driving home from work today. It was a level 2 snow emergency, so everybody was closed pretty much. I didn't do much at work today. Very slow day there. I got bad news on the GR86 back this week. So last week, the body shop called me and they asked if I had heard from Geico. And it had been a month since I dropped the car off, so I was expecting when they called me, they were going to tell me that the car was ready to get picked up. So he called and he said, "Hey, have you heard back from Geico?" And I said, "No, about what?" And he said, "Well, I turned in a supplemental, a few weeks ago because the quote isn't enough to get your car fixed." I said, "Okay, well, so the car's not done?" He's like, "No, man, we haven't even started working on it. We need them to approve it." That hill back there was a little touch and go. Thank God for snow tires. Anyway, so I called Geico. Geico is like, "Hey, we never got anything from the body shop. What's their number? We'll reach out to them." The next day, Geico called me. They got the adjuster out there the next day. So, that's good. The crappy thing is the car sat there for a month while nothing, literally nothing, because Geico didn't get the paperwork to look at it, to, send an adjuster, etc. So Geico calls me the next day and they said, "Hey, we're approving everything. You're getting a new quarter panel, etc., etc." Okay, cool. So I figure it's going to be pretty soon. So body shop calls me yesterday and they say, "Hey, parts are a month and a half out, and then about a month to get fixed." Holy crap, guys. I'm not going to get the 86 back until March. At the earliest. That's if parts show up when they're supposed to show up. This is a bigger hill. We're going to have to get some speed going to get up this one. Anyways, they're going to have it for close to 4 months by the end of this. Which, it's winter. Look at these. There's no way I'd be driving it right now, but I do miss her. I miss looking at her, sitting in her. Anyways, that's where we're at. I'm going to focus because we're getting out into the country where I live, so I'm going to have to pay attention to snow drifts and whatnot. Everybody be safe. Happy holidays. Don't drink and drive. And I'll see you in the new year. Take care.